how you can post on Threads, only your followers can see it. Do you want to post on Threads, but only make it that so your followers can see it? Then you've come to the right place. Let's begin. So, the very first thing that you need to do is open up your Threads app, and once you get here, if you post anything on Threads, then the entire Threads community will be able to see your post. And if you don't want that, and if you only want your followers to see your posts, then what you can do is go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then at the top right, you will see these two lines. You can tap on it to open up your settings. Now, from here, just head over to the privacy section and make sure to turn on your private profile, because what this will do is only your followers can see and interact with your threads. Your replies will be visible to your followers and the individual profiles that you reply to. So go ahead and tap on OK, and now only your followers will be able to see your replies and your threads. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.